How to fix Steam pending transaction error. Welcome, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to launch your Steam application in your device, or you can just search for steam.com in your preferred browser. At the top, head over and hover in your username, from which select on account details. You will find the option View Purchase History. Select on it. Now in your purchase history, you will find every purchase you have made in the past days or week. Now in order to cancel the pending transaction, firstly, you can easily cancel this transaction or cancel my purchase. Just select on the product. Then you can just tap on any of this prompt given to you. Follow the instruction which is provided by the Steam. Once successfully cancelled, you can even go ahead and reorder the product once again. And that is how you'll be able to fix your Steam pending transaction error. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.